Hello and good morning, everybody. My name is Sir Raphael, and I will be teaching you environmental studies for class 1. Now, everybody, take out your Wonder World Environmental Studies, book 1, and turn with me to page 54, lesson number 10, Animals in My World. Now, today we will be learning about animals. Yes, animals. Do you know what animals are? Yes, we see animals all around us, right? So, what will we be learning about today? Let us read. Lesson number 10, Animals in My World. Many kinds of animals are found on Earth. Some animals live on land. They are called land animals. Lion, dog, cat, and cow are land animals. Some animals live in water. They are called water animals. Fish and octopus are water animals. Birds and monkeys live on trees. Let's look at the picture above. What do we see? We see many animals, right? We see a horse, we see chickens, we see cows, we see ducks, we see sheep. Yes, these are all different kinds of animals living in the world. The ones that are living on land are land animals, and you see the animals living on water are called water animals, right? Very good. Now let next page. Types of animals. Given below are clues about some animals that live close to us. Can you name them? You can take help from the help box. Who am I? Cock-a-doodle-doo. I am here to wake you. What kind of animal is that? Do you know? Fill in the blank if you know. Is it a horse, cow, sheep, dog, cock? Which is it? I chew and moo. I give milk for calf and you. Clippity clop, ride on me as I trot. Which animal is that? Do you know? Bow wow. Did you get a clue? I'm your guard and a friend too. Ba ba is my call. Get some wool for mother's shawl. Now, you will have to fill in the blanks for your homework, okay? Now, the animals that live around us and help us in many ways are called domestic animals, right? The animals that live around us and help us in many ways are called domestic animals. Do you have any domestic animals living around your house, right? And then some animals live with us in our homes. They are called pet animals. Can you name some pet animals? Do you have any pets in the house? Right? You can write what kind of pet animals you keep in your house. Okay? Right. Some animals live far away from us in the jungle. We may see them at the zoo. They are called wild animals. Lion, tiger, leopard, and giraffe are some wild animals, right? So, there are two types of animals. Let us try to remember. There are domestic animals. Learn the spelling of domestic, children. Domestic animals, those are the animals that live around us, okay? And then there are some animals that live with us in our homes. They are called pet animals. And then there are some animals that live far away from us in the jungle. We may see them in the zoo, and they are called wild animals. Let's think of some examples for domestic animals and pet animals, okay? So, a cow, a horse, and a sheep, and chickens are domestic animals. Those are animals that live around us, okay? And they help us in many ways. And then there are some animals that live with us in our homes, right? For example, dogs. Many people keep dogs in their homes, right? And maybe cats also. Some people keep cats in their houses as well. What other kind of animals? How about parrots and other birds? Yes, people keep birds in their houses as well. And then wild animals that live in the jungle, like the lion, tiger, leopard, and giraffe, are some wild animals, right? Very good. So let us move on to the next page. How animals help us. Animals are our friends. We get various things from them. Hens give us eggs. Cows, goats, and camels give us milk. From milk, we make butter, paneer, and curd. Camels and horses help us to go from one place to another. Donkeys help us to carry load. From sheep, we get wool for our warm clothes. We should never hurt animals. We should give them clean food, water, and a comfortable place to live in. Right? So, these animals help us in so many different ways, right? We get things to eat like eggs from hens, and then cows, goats, camels give us milk, and then from the milk we make butter, paneer, and curd. Camels and horses help us to go from one place to another, and donkeys help us to carry load. From sheep, we get wool for our warm clothes. We use animals in so many different ways, right? And we should never hurt animals. We should give them clean food, water, and a comfortable place to live in. So, we will end the lesson for today. And for homework, I would like you to answer the questions on page 55. All right? Answer the questions on page 55. All right? So, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.